Do you want to know how you can log into your Religare Invesco Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Religare Invesco Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or as browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Religare Invesco Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of this page. Now what you need to do is write down your username in this box. After you write down your username, go ahead and click on this box, write down your password, view your password, and then click login. This way you can successfully log in to your Religare Invesco Mutual Fund account. So it's quite simple. Search for Religare Invesco Mutual Fund, click on the first link, write down your username, your password, click login, and you will log into your Religare Invesco Mutual Fund account. If you want to change your password, click on this link and you can recover your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.